Upstart is a personal loan platform that's designed to help people access financing quickly and easily, with a focus on offering lower rates compared to traditional lenders. One of the standout features is that you can check your rate in just 5 minutes and it won't affect your credit score, which is a huge benefit if you're simply exploring your options without the risk of a hard inquiry on your credit report. The loan amounts range from $1,000 to $50,000, and the application process is straightforward, meaning you could potentially get your funds the very next business day after approval. This can be a big relief for anyone who needs fast access to cash for things like debt consolidation, medical bills, or home improvement projects. Now, let's talk about the rates and terms. Upstart offers fixed rates between 6.7% and 35.99% APR, depending on your qualifications. This is a pretty broad range, but the good news is that Upstart uses more than just your credit score to determine your rate. They also consider your education and work history, which means if you have a strong background in these areas, you might qualify for a lower rate, even if your credit isn't perfect. This is great because it gives people with less than perfect credit a chance to qualify for a personal loan at a more affordable rate. Plus, there's no prepayment penalty, so if you want to pay off your loan early, you won't be hit with extra fees. However, like any product, it's not all perfect. For starters, the interest rates can get pretty high, especially if your credit isn't in great shape. While the rates are lower than some traditional models, they still range up to almost 36%, which is something to be aware of if you're thinking about using a personal loan for debt consolidation or other financial needs. Also, while the no prepayment penalty is a pro, you still need to watch the APR closely, as it can vary based on your financial background. One of the great things about Upstart is the transparency and ease of use. The platform is easy to navigate, and the mobile app makes it simple to manage your loan from anywhere. Plus, the quick funding process is a game changer for people who need money fast. However, some users may find the rates a bit high if they don't have a solid credit profile or a strong educational background. If you're someone who's looking to borrow a significant amount, or if you're planning to use the loan for something like a wedding or vacation, Upstart might be a convenient option. Just be sure to read the fine print and understand the full cost of borrowing before committing. Overall, Upstart is a solid option for those looking for fast access to personal loans, particularly if you have a fair credit score or are looking for a loan that takes more factors into account than just your credit history. It's not without its drawbacks, especially when it comes to interest rates, but for many, the speed and ease of getting a loan could make it a worthwhile choice.